Welcome, today in front of me INFINIX Smart 6 HD, and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first, let's just select the screen where you want to add the widgets. I'll go with this one, and after that, just with your finger hold for a while your device screen, and you'll see here the widgets icon. Just click here once, and now we can see here all the available applications, what widgets we can add. For example, the calendar has 2 widgets, the weather also 2, the settings app has only 1 shortcut, the Google Drive 3, Gmail 2. So the maps, the 5 of the widgets. For example, let's use the calendar. We can use the calendar months view or just the schedule. For example, let's add the schedule. We can hold and drag it here to the home screen, or just you can click here once on the switcher and that will here automatically. If you wanna just remove this widget from the home screen, just hold it and drag and tap to remove icon. If you want to move the widget here on the screen, by the same way, hold it and drag it, for example, here. If you want to resize the widget, just hold it and tap to resize. Now you can make it bigger or smaller by this way. We can also move the widgets between the screens, just hold and drag it by this way, and we can create also the new screen with the widgets. Okay, by this way. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.